Have you ever heard the term spiff in a financial context? It's a word that might sound a bit unusual, but it actually refers to a common practice in the financial world. Today, we're going to dive deep into what a spiff is, how it works, and its implications for both consumers and businesses. Imagine you're looking to buy a new car. You walk into a dealership, and the salesperson offers you a deal of a lifetime. They mention a spiff that the manufacturer is offering on that particular model. But what does that actually mean? Defining a spiff, essentially, a spiff is a type of incentive or bonus offered to sales representatives to encourage them to sell a particular product or service. It's a way for manufacturers or companies to boost sales, clear inventory, or promote new offerings. Types of spiffs. There are several types of spiffs that can be offered. Cash spiffs. These are straightforward cash bonuses that are given to sales representatives for each unit sold. Gift card spiffs. Instead of cash, sales reps might receive gift cards to retailers or restaurants. Product spiffs. In some cases, sales reps can earn a free product or service as a reward for meeting sales targets. How spiffs work. The process of offering and receiving spiffs generally involves the following steps. Manufacturer sets incentive. The manufacturer determines the spiff amount or reward and sets specific conditions for qualifying sales. Sales rep earns spiff. When a sales representative meets the specified criteria, they become eligible to receive the spiff. Spiff is paid out. The spiff is typically paid out to the sales representative by the manufacturer either directly or through their employer. Implications for consumers. While spiffs can benefit sales representatives, they can also have implications for consumers. Here are some things to consider. Lower prices. Spiffs can sometimes lead to lower prices for consumers, as manufacturers may incentivize sales representatives to offer discounts to meet sales targets. Product push. However, spiffs can also encourage sales representatives to push certain products or services, even if they may not be the best fit for the consumer's needs. Limited availability. Spiffs are often time-limited, so consumers may need to act quickly to take advantage of them. Implications for businesses. Spiffs can be a valuable tool for businesses, but they also come with certain considerations. Increased sales. Spiffs can help boost sales and clear inventory, especially for slow-moving products. Higher costs. However, offering spiffs can increase a company's overall costs, as they need to allocate funds for the incentives. Potential for abuse. There is a risk of spiffs being misused, such as sales representatives misrepresenting products or engaging in unethical practices to earn bonuses. So, there you have it. A spiff is a type of incentive offered to sales representatives to encourage them to sell a particular product or service. While they can benefit both consumers and businesses, it's important to be aware of their potential implications. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.